Well, the Oireachtas Transport and Communications Committee got an invite from NBI to come out and see what's the rollout of the National Broadband Plan on site. We took up that offer, so we were out here today, and as chairman of the committee, along with my colleagues, we've really seen firsthand the actual rollout of the broadband plan. We've had detailed discussions with NBI around a range of areas. We've covered really from where they are in terms of doing surveys, design, the work they've done to date, and furthermore, we also discussed in terms we've seen to date 6 to 8 month delay. What are their plans in terms of accelerating the rollout to make up for that delay? And this is all about rolling out broadband to every home in Ireland, and that's what we want to see. And we'll continue to work with NBI and government to ensure we get this rollout as quickly as possible. Furthermore, we want to see their in exchange with other key stakeholders like the local authorities. Is there areas that we can assist to, I suppose, bring this? We're seeing here poles being erected. It involves a huge amount of various parties, and I suppose we wanted to see firsthand what's actually the work that's being done on the ground and what it actually entails. The work that's being done is very thorough. It's very much like there is a process there where NBI are looking at areas, deployment areas, specific areas of 20,000 population or more, and that they're looking at surveying, doing the design, what's involved. We want to get a full understanding of the process, and then we want to look at the logistics in terms of the actual build out. We've got a very, very good idea today of where the challenges are. They're certainly around areas like being able to get dealing with the local authorities in terms of streamlining. I think above what we've got from this is they need absolute certainty around timelines, and that's something that we'll take from here. We'll have probably continue to have engagement with NBI in the Transport and Communications Committee. Well, we've seen the challenges, but I think this is a very exciting project. I think everything now is about ensuring that everything that possibly can be done to pull back on the 6 to 8 months delay can now happen, and that we're all working together, NBI, government, ourselves as a Transport and Communications Committee, and all the various stakeholders to ensure this can happen in expeditious fashion. I'm very impressed with the staff. They're technically very knowledgeable, and like we are told there's roughly about 1,400 people, 300 in NBI itself, and there's another 1,100 out in the field. That's going to go up to 2,000. What we really wanted to get an understanding today was obviously the challenges, the logistics involved, the process involved, and it's no longer an abstract. This is happening in real time. The question is, how quickly can it be done? We're talking about 7 years. Want to see it can be brought back to 5. Want to see can we catch up on the delays during COVID from the 6 to 8 month delay. The staff come across as very impressive, very knowledgeable, and very much determined to get this done. I suppose for us as a committee, an Oireachtas committee, we need to get an understanding both of what the challenges are, but more particularly how we can in some way become involved to free up any bottlenecks that are there, so that people, wherever they're living in Ireland, will have access to broadband, fibre broadband as quickly as possible.